In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in Taiwan in a simple and secure way. This tutorial is specifically tailored to Taiwan because it will work no matter what payment method you use and no matter what bank account you may have in Taiwan. So this is really perfect for you. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So to be able to buy cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, we will go through an application. So I've really tested dozens and dozens of them. And frankly, the best application that I can only recommend to anyone who is getting into cryptocurrency is the Crypto Swissborg application. It is a mobile application that you can simply download on your cell phone, and which is really very simple to use, really very intuitive, which is also one of the platforms which offers the best fees in terms of crypto and which also has a very high level of security. So for me, it's really the #1 application that I use to make all my cryptocurrency investments, and it's also the application that I recommend to everyone, to my family, to my friends. You will find the link to download the Swissborg app directly below this YouTube video, either in the description or in the first comment. All you have to do is click on the link and you will be automatically redirected to download the application either on the Apple Store if you are on iPhone or on the Google Play Store if you are on Android. And as a gift for you, if you go through this link, you will be able to unlock a scratch card on the Swissborg application, which will allow you to win up to $100 in crypto. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it like this. Registering on Swissborg only takes a few minutes. Simply fill in your basic information to validate your account. You'll see, it's really very simple. Once your account is validated, you will arrive on the Swissborg homepage like this. The first step will be to add money to Swissborg to be able to buy our first cryptocurrencies. So to do this, just click on the plus button upside down at the top right like this. You will be able to deposit money either via bank transfer, so that's free, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. And if you ever want to instantly deposit money on Swissborg, you can do so via credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay, Google Pay. So you just have to fill in your bank card information or use Apple Pay, Google Pay, to choose the currency in which you wish to make your payment, and then indicate the amount and then validate the transaction. So once that's done, you will instantly receive your money on Swiss Bank, and we will be able to move on to the second step, which is to buy our cryptocurrencies with this money. So to do this, it's very simple. Just click on the Invest option at the bottom right, then click on Buy Cryptos. We will be able to see all the cryptos available for purchase on Swissborg. So we're going to click on Bitcoin. Then we will click on Buy in green at the bottom. We will choose the currency with which we wish to buy our Bitcoins. So there are really all the currencies of all the major countries in the world. So you can simply add your country's currency with the Add Currency option and then select the corresponding one. Then, once you have chosen your currency, you can indicate the amount you wish to exchange to get Bitcoin. So I'll take $10 for the example. You put next. Then, you have the summary of the very transparent fees of the Swissborg application, which will also guarantee you the best exchange rate on your cryptocurrencies. So the Swissborg platform is actually connected to dozens of other platforms and scans in real time where there is the best price of each crypto that can be purchased. And so for each transaction, it will guarantee you to have the most cryptocurrency. So then you just have to click on Confirm to validate the transaction. It is usually done in a few seconds like this. So here we are, we bought our first Bitcoins quite simply with Swissborg. You saw it was really very simple. Then you can see how many Bitcoins you hold on your Swissborg crypto wallet. If you want to do the reverse operation, it's very simple. Just click on Exchange at the bottom in green, choose the currency in which you want to exchange your cryptocurrencies, indicate the amount, and then confirm the transaction. And there you have it. Now you know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies easily with Swissborg. Don't hesitate if you have any questions. It was Gummy, ciao.